Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my curry oxtail. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Alright, we not talk too much. We go jump right into it now. So this is the oxtails I'm using. This is 3 pounds of oxtails. Here, this is the curry. The better pack curry I'm using, the best curry. Here, so I have some all-purpose flour. I now use all of this all-purpose flour. I just need some to make some spinach dumplings. Over here, I have some chopped garlic. I have some scallions cut up, chop up. Here, I have some fresh thyme. Over here, so I have the famous blend green season. I have some all-purpose season here, so some garlic paste, which is blend garlic. Some chopped onions, 1 hot pepper. I have coconut milk here, so, and I have butter bean. Here I have some pimento berries. Over here so I have onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I wash the oxtail with cold water and lime and white vinegar. So you use white vinegar. Basically, when you fry the oxtail, all of these little fat go burn off of it. So I'm going to fry them first. Okay, I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of green season, blend green season, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Go burn some in the oil. Here I'm going to add the pimento. Add some scallions. Not all of it, okay? The green season already have a lot of ginger and pepper, so I didn't add no ginger to this. No ginger powder. So now you mix. You wanna rub in the seasoning them. Alright my people, whenever you're cooking your meat, I always try to season it from the day before. Okay, we go fry down these now, okay? Okay, so this is the pan we go fry them off in. And the oil already hot. Don't want the oil to burn too black. Drop them in. Like that. Okay my people, so now I'm just frying them just a little bit, then I'm gonna cook them down in the curry. Okay, so time now to flip them over. Wanna turn them like this. Like this, my people. Okay, we're going to take them out whenever this side cook like this side, we go take them out, okay? So we now turn up the stove too high to burn the seasoning in the pot, okay my people? Okay my people, I'm going to take out this batch now. And start a new one. Start a new one. So I clean up the scallion and the onion them like this before I drop them in the oil. It don't burn too bad as you could see. See? I will go continue with the process until everything finish. Okay my people, so this the pot I'm gonna cook down the oxtail in. So first I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. And the reason being adding the oil, you have to burn the curry before you start to cook the curry, okay? Always ensuring to burn the curry. You have to burn it out before you cook it down because you don't want to hurt your stomach. If you ever go out and eat curry and you find out say your stomach hurt you after eating the curry, that means that the curry didn't burn, okay? Alright, we're gonna add some onions in the oil. You have to season up the oil, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna add the chopped garlic. Now 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Remember me say you have to burn the curry in the oil. You have to burn it like this. If you put less oil when you're burning the curry, the curry go bitter, okay? So 2 tablespoons of oil to 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Make sure you stove on lower heat when you're burning the curry, okay? Okay, my people, now I'm gonna add all of the oxtail in this pot. And this is the season that leave back in the pot. These are the seasoning scrape out that leave back when I fry the oxtail, okay? This is all of the season. So wash out the bowl with hot water, my people. Wash out the bowl with hot water. Just like this. Go add the thyme. So I had 1 measuring cup of coconut milk. Now we're gonna cover it, make it. Alright, my people. Alright, my people. Now I put in the spinach dumplings, them, okay? Drop in the spinach, them. Just have a whole heap of dumpling now. A whole lot of spinach. Alright, now I'm gonna drop 1 hot pepper. Now I'm gonna go in with some scallion, garlic, and onions chopped up. Now we're gonna give it a stir. Alright, my people, may I add just a little bit of boiling water, not too much. Alright, now I get the final season, okay? Now add some more all-purpose season because we're not putting no carrot nor Irish in it, okay? We're not putting no carrots and Irish in it, so yo, this smells so good. Alright, my people. Go cover it up now. Okay, family. This is it. Nice and tender, my people. Now I'm gonna turn off my stove. Just like that. Alright, this is how the oxtail look when it finish. Nice and tender. Could see? falling off the bones. See? Cooked to perfection. Hmm? Just fall off the bones. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, man. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. See you in the next video.